Alright, today I'm going to show you how to clean your throttle body. My car's been kind of running rough lately, and I looked down the throat of my throttle body and it's pretty dirty. So I'll show you the steps to take it off and clean it. While I'm at it, I should clean my whole engine, but we're not going to do that. Alright, first thing you want to do is remove your air intake. Oh, by the way, this is a 99 Chevy Suburban, the 5.7 liter Vortec engine. You want to disconnect your, oh come on, mass airflow sensor and the temp sensor. And then you just pull back that way. Oh, if you want, most of the time you can take off the air box, but my whole thing just kind of flops out, so. Alright, next thing you want to do, you have some more sensors along the side here. Go ahead and undo them. And then you want to undo your, this is the cruise control and also the throttle. Maybe. Come on, there we go. Get those kind of out of the way. Alright. First thing you want to take off is this back part here. This is a 5.5 millimeter. Oh, come on, ratchet. Somebody's doing some chainsawing out there. Sometimes this will come disconnected from there, but it all came out. And underneath that's an 8 millimeter if that comes separated. Oh, one more thing that we should do first is grab a 10 millimeter and we'll disconnect the bracket here. And then there's one more right there. It's another 10 millimeter. And then just kind of move that out of the way. And then you'll have, oh, I think these are 8 millimeters. Yep. And some more 8 millimeters. And then it comes right off. I do suggest when you're taking these off, replacing the gasket here. I'm not going to, but it's a good idea to replace that gasket, and they're really cheap and easy to get out. But here you can see a lot of carbon buildup on that. So yeah, it's pretty dirty. So normally I use throttle body cleaner, but I don't have any. So this carburetor cleaner will work as well. It's just not as, doesn't get it off as well, in my personal opinion. But you just spray it. And you just wipe it down and kind of keep doing that. So I also borrow, use one of your kids' toothbrushes. They won't know. And just kind of clean up that carbon. See, they'll never know. So you just want to get around the edges, because some of that carbon can cause it not to close well, and then you can get a rough idle and all that fun stuff. That's what I've been experiencing. So I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better. And there's no carbon buildup around that edge, which was really thick. So now we put it back on. Like I said, typically I advise you should replace that gasket there, but I'm not going to. So I also always clean up. Whoops. Oh, I'm out. Anyway, but I do try to clean up the mating surface there, just cause it's a good idea. So to put it back on, just line up the bolts again and just go in reverse. So tighten these 3 down first. And by the way, if you're curious, I believe it's 18 pounds of torque to tighten those to spec. So then make sure you connect your sensors again. Then reinstall the speedometer cable bracket. Oh, that's a 10, not 8. Whoa. And then just reattach your throttle. If I could see. And just reinstall the air intake. Just lean kind of forward. Right there. Hook this back up. Make sure you hook back up your sensors again. And now we'll start it up real quick. It's running better than it was, I can tell you that. Response time is better and everything, so I should have shown you what I was doing before I cleaned that out. But anyway, it seems to be working a lot better. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that helps anybody that's wanting to clean off their throttle body. It's pretty much the same for any car, but I hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.